I'm back. Did you miss me? Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Ms. Velveteen is out of town, so I told her I would hold down the fort and make you a drink myself. Coincidentally, I just found my old high school yearbook, which reminded me of the drink I used to make when Daddy would leave the liquor cabinet unlocked. I used a lot more soda back then, but tastes change. To make it, all you do is add about 2 ounces of Crown Royal to a rocks glass with ice and top with a splash of orange soda. It's no Franzia Merlot, but it'll get you where you're going. Thanks for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. They'll be back Thursday for another Liquored Up live broadcast, and we'll all need a drink by then. I really should drop by one of these days, but I'll see you again real soon.